my channel. I am Saurav Ghosh. Today I am going to teach you how to solve the sums of simple interest. These are the basic formulas which you need to memorize, which you will need in each and every step of solving this sum. That is A equals to P plus I and I equals to P and R divided by 100. Now the abbreviations that I have used, the full forms are given here. P represents principal, R represents rate of interest, N represents number of years for which the principal is used, I represents interest, and A represents amount. These two are the basic formulas which you need. That's all. You have to memorize these formulas. Let's begin. Let's go to solve the sums. This is the first sum 1, as I have written. I'm reading the question for you. A man borrowed rupees 15,000 from a bank at 12% per annum for 2.5 years. Find the amount to be returned by him to the bank. Okay. The main thing which I am going to teach you, that no YouTuber can teach you except some professional teachers, is that first of all you have to write what are the given things in the question. That is, principal amount is given, that is 15,000. Second, rate, R represents rate of interest, means rate 12% per annum. Okay, and then time is 2.5 years, that is 5/2 years. Now we have to find A, and the formula of A is P plus I. So in order to find A, we need I, and the formula of I is P and R divided by 100. Okay, 15,000 into 5/2 into 12 into 1/100, that is 4,500 rupees. Now we are going to find out the amount equals to principal plus interest. Okay, principal was rupees 15,000 and interest is rupees 4,500, so the total amount is 19,500. This is the answer. The sum is fully completed. Let's move on to the next sum. This is the next sum. Find the simple interest on rupees 4,500 from January 4, 1985 to 30th May. Sorry, I forgot to write the word May 1985 at the rate of 5% per annum. Okay, I am going to tell you for the first and the foremost important thing, that it is not necessary for a person to borrow a particular sum of money in the beginning of the month. He can do it in the middle of the month or in any period as he wants, from any commercial bank or any other financial institution. That is not a big deal, but here we are going to learn a new thing, that is the calculation of number of days. Okay, let's move on to the solution. Number of days equals to January plus February plus March plus April plus May. Okay, in January there are 31 days and 4 days are already gone, so minus 4 plus 28 days plus 31 days plus 30 days plus 30. You have to see that in May 30. Okay, if it was given here that May 28, then we would have written May 28 instead of 30. We will sum this and we will get 126 days. And N represents number of years, as you have seen in the formula. So we will convert 146 days in terms of years. 146 divided by 365 years. And now we will write the things which are given in the question. Now we will write the given material by the question. That is, principal rupees 4,500, R 5% per annum, and I have written only here. Now we will move on to the formula, that is I equals to P and R divided by 100, that is 4,500 into 146 divided by 365 into 5 into 1/100. The answer that we will get is rupees 90. So required simple interest is rupees 90. The sum is fully completed. Okay, now we are going to solve sum 3. I am reading the question for you. What sum of money will yield an interest of rupees 594 in 3 years at 9% per annum. Here the interest amount is given in the question. First we will write out what are the given things in the question. Simple interest rupees 594. Principal amount is question mark that we will find. N equals to 3 years and R equals to 9% per annum. Now we will find P. I equals to P and R divided by 100. I we know 594 equals to P into 3 into 9 divided by 100. If you solve this equation, you will get this 594 into 100 divided by 3 into 9. If you further simplify this, you will get 2200. Therefore, the required money is rupees 2200. The sum is fully completed. Let's move on to the next sum, that is sum number 4. I am reading the question for you. In what time will rupees 2100 amount to rupees 2835 rupees at 10% per annum? Okay. What are the given things that the given thing we will write it here. Amount is given rupees 2835. Principal is given rupees 2100. R is given 10% per annum. Now we will find I. A equals to P plus I. It means I equals to A minus P. It means rupees 2835 minus 2100. It implies I is rupees 735. Now with the help of I, we will find out N. I equals to P and R divided by 100. 735 equals to 2100 into N into 10 divided by 100. Now we will get this equation. N equals to 735 divided by 210. We will further simplify it and get N equals to 3.5. Therefore, required time is 3.5 years. The sum is completed. Now we will solve sum 5. I am reading the question for you. At what rate percent will a sum of rupees 840 amount to rupees 1008 in 4 years? Okay. First of all, we will write the given criteria. Amount equals to rupees 1008. Principal is rupees 840. N equals to 4 years. Now we will find I. A equals to P plus I. I equals to A minus P. I equals to rupees 1008 minus 840. It implies I equals to rupees 168. Now we will find out N with the help of I. I equals to P and R divided by 100. That is 168 equals to 840 into 4 into R divided by 100. That is R equals to 168 into 100 divided by 840 into 4. That is R equals to 5. That is therefore required rate percent is 5% per annum. Now let's move on to the next sum. Sum 6. The difference between simple interest on a certain sum of money for rupees 2.5 years and 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 110. Find the sum. Okay. Let's move on to the sum. It's a bit complicated. I will try my level best to make it simple. First, we will find simple interest for 2.5 years. That is P and R divided by 100. P we will P is not given, so we will write P as P only. We will know it is not necessary to take X or any other variable. P is itself a variable. P into 5 into 10 divided by 100 into 2, that is P by 4. Now we will take simple interest for 3 years. P and R divided by 100. P into 3 into 10 divided by 100, that is 3P divided by 10. According to question, their difference is rupees 110. 3P divided by 10 minus P divided by 4 equals to 110. 6P minus 5P divided by 20 equals to 110. That is P equals to 2200. Therefore, required sum is rupees 2200. If the video is helping you in doing the sums, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learning with Saurav. If you want, you can follow me in my Instagram. My Instagram link will be given in the description below. Actually, I'm doing these things for your sake. First of all, I have to study these things myself in order to make the videos which are helping you to gear up your studies. For this help, you please do subscribe to my channel Learning with Saurav. Okay, let's move on to the last sum of this video. Mr. Arun, that is sum number 7. Mr. Arun lends rupees 7,000 to Mr. Vivek at 10% per annum, and Mr. Vivek lends the sum to Mr. Chandan at 11.5% per annum. Find the gain of Mr. Vivek in a period of 3 years. Okay, we will solve this sum in two cases, case 1 and case 2. Solution. Case 1. When Mr. Arun lends money to Mr. Vivek, the given things we will write out. Principal is rupees 7,000, rate of interest is 10% per annum, n equals to 3 years. I equals to P and R divided by 100. P and R divided by 100, 7,000 into 3 into 10 divided by 100, that is rupees 2,100. Then we will find out the amount equals to principal plus interest, rupees 7,000 plus rupees 2,100, that is rupees 9,100. Now we will find out case 2. When Mr. Vivek lends money to Mr. Chandan, P is rupees 7,000, R is 11.5% per annum, N is 3 years. We will find out I. P and R divided by 100. 7,000 into 3 into 11.5 divided by 100. This bit overwriting has been done. It's 11.5 equals to 7 into 3 into 115. That is rupees 2415. Now we will find out amount. Amount equals to principal plus interest, rupees 7,000 plus rupees 2415, that is rupees 9415. Therefore, required gain of Mr. Vivek in a period of 3 years is equals to rupees 9415 minus 9,100. Actually, we will find out the difference. Actually, Mr. Vivek is a broker type, you can say, also a middleman. He took a loan from Mr. Arun at a cheap rate of interest and lends the same amount to Mr. Chandan at a greater rate of interest. The difference between the amount of that he will pay to Mr. Arun and what he will get from Mr. Chandan is the required answer, and the answer is rupees 315 rupees. The sum is fully completed. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching the video.